Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the comps are in the same project and that the replacement comp matches frame rate and resolution. Once done, select the layer you want to swap and note it's in /out points and any keyframes that drive timing. Make sure to trim or pre-compose the source if it contains extra handles. You do this because replace with comp preserves transform and timing if the durations and frame rates align, so mismatches won't shift clips or ripple animation unintentionally. Now you perform the replace. Select the target layer and apply Replace with Comp from the menu. If you need to preserve layer effects, hold Alt or Option and choose the correct replace command. Once replaced, scrub the timeline to confirm transforms. Anchor point and scale often need attention because Replace with Comp carries comp-level coordinates. If expressions drive the original, make sure to bake or adapt them, otherwise links can break. This step keeps visual continuity and prevents offset or scaling surprises. Finish by aligning durations and relinking any masks or mats. You may need to trim the replacement comp or enable time remapping to maintain sync. Once done, review motion blur, parenting, and layer order because those often change perception even when the comp swap is correct. If something goes wrong, first verify frame rate and composition start times. Then try pre-composing the replacement or copying effects manually. This method ensures you retain animation integrity and lets you fix issues quickly with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.